Air pollution is something that Chicago struggles with. It affects the way we function, the way we live our lives. The quality of our air in the past has been very poor, but it's getting better. But just because it's getting better doesn't mean it's perfect. There are many things that add to the quality of our precious air. Things like factories and car emissions or clearing out trees and forests all add up to the quality of our air. There are people going about their day constantly, and they get around using cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. These modes of transportation are hurting the environment from when they're being made to when they're being thrown away. The factories that make the vehicles and other factories emit nasty chemicals like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. All these gases are being excreted from these plants and factories into the air that we breathe. The vehicles, when finally distributed, are brought around through big trucks which emit lots of harmful chemicals. And when the vehicles finally hit the road, they're using gas and emitting chemicals as well. Though this may seem small, this is happening all over the world. Heat from the earth is trapped in the atmosphere due to high levels of carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping gases that prohibit it from releasing the heat into space. This creates what is called the greenhouse effect. These large amounts of chemicals add to the growing issue of global warming. They even affect us more closely than just global warming. These pollutants that we inhale aggravate respiratory ailments, cause lung damage, and lead to cancer. Though our future may seem bleak, trees are here to save the day. Trees help by removing CO2 from the atmosphere during photosynthesis to form carbohydrates that are used in plant structure and return oxygen back into the atmosphere as a byproduct. Roughly half of the greenhouse effect is caused by CO2. Therefore, trees act as a carbon sink, alleviating the greenhouse effect. This is why we need healthy forests. They provide necessary oxygen and take in the excess CO2. When we as humans cut down trees to make room for shopping malls or apartment complexes, we are cutting down major supplies of oxygen, in turn harming us more than helping us. A healthy forest is one that is untampered by human interactions. We just let the natural occur as it does. This is why many places around the world and even in Chicago are starting to make forest preserves to keep healthy forests alive and producing necessary oxygen. One example is the North Park Nature Preserve. They try their best to keep the forest healthy, in turn helping keep the world healthy with the necessary oxygen. Do everything you can to keep our forests healthy to leave our world happy.